Hey guys, we're looking at a problem with negative exponents, and it could be a little intimidating, but we can do it. And it's probably easier than you think, okay? First of all, if you need some other exponent videos, I will link a playlist in the corner. But let's do this problem. Okay, so this is just weird, right? Because you're like, how do I multiply y by itself negative 9 times? That doesn't even make sense, right? Okay, there's a pretty easy fix for this. I don't know if fix is the right word, but there you go, okay? All right, if I have x to the negative 2, okay, what I can do is I take it from the numerator to the denominator and it goes positive. Maybe you're not believing me, but just hold on, okay? All right, it also works the other way. If you have a negative exponent on the bottom in the denominator, you move it to the top and it goes positive, okay? Now, what I need you to know is there is a beautiful mathematical reason why this works, but I'm not going to take the time to explain it right now because I feel like you will switch videos, but I will link in the corner a video of someone explaining it. And then if someday I make my own video, I'll switch it to mine. But there you go, okay? So what we're going to do here is notice the things that don't look right, right? We have a negative 9 exponent, we have a negative 1, and a negative 3, okay? So watch what we do with those, okay? So on top, I'm going to have 20 still, right? X to the third is safe. We can keep that up there. Now this x to the negative 9 we don't like, right? And I told you, and you might still be skeptical, that I can move it to the bottom and it goes positive, okay? So I'm going to put y to the ninth down here, positive, okay? All right, what else do I have on the bottom? And there's going to be more I need to put on top too, right? Okay, I have the 5. That's good. All right, I have this x to the negative first power that we don't like negative exponents, all right? So I'm going to move that to the top, okay? This is all being multiplied up here. And I could write x to the first, but that's the same as just x, okay? All right, then I have this y to the negative third down here. We don't like that. So I'm going to move that to the top, and it's going to be a positive 3, okay? All right, so let's write this where it looks less crazy. So I'm going to have 20. X to the third times x gives me x to the fourth, okay? And then I still have that y to the third. And on bottom, I just have 5y to the ninth, okay? Now, you might be tempted to say you're done, but we want to simplify, okay? So I've got y times itself 3 times up here and y times itself 9 times down here. So 3 of these y's are going to cancel with 3 of these ones, okay? So these ones are going to be gone. And then I'm taking 3 of these ones away, so it's going to be y to the 6th, okay? Now, so we're going to have 20, x to the 4th. All my y's on top canceled. I've got 5y to the 6th on the bottom. Almost done, but 20 over 5 can simplify, right? 5 goes into both of those. So 5 goes into 20 4 times. I've still got the x to the 4th. 5 goes into 5 once, so I could write 1, but it's just going to be 1y to the 6th, which is the same as writing y to the 6th, okay? And that is my answer. Okay, not too bad, right? Hopefully it was easier than you thought. Hopefully you can get your homework done and